Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to add muzzle flash and bullet hit effect. But first, thank you Coyote for your advice. It looks really great in my game and makes my game look more realistic. So now I am going to show you how to add muzzle flash first. For that, first go to your pistol's skeletal or static mesh and add socket in front of your weapon. After you have done that, come to your third person or whatever you collected blueprints is or wherever your firing logic is located. After your firing logic, first get the reference to pistol or weapon. If you have edited directly it into your uh, characters blueprint, so just drag it into the graph. So after you have if it's different and have another blueprint, so just drag it and get your static or skeletal mesh and then get socket location also and also get socket rotation. Then write the name of your the socket you have set before. In my case it's muzzle. Then after that attach the nodes like me, oh, like that and like this, and also set pooling method to auto release. After it's done, we have completed. So now let's test. Now you can see it's not removing and in loop. So to fix that, go to your muzzle flash Niagara system and click on every node and set its loop behavior to once. After let's check. Now it's working perfectly. Then now we have to add our bullet hit effect. For that I have imported my picture. Then right click on the picture you have imported and then create material. Set your material domain to default decal and blend mode to translucent. Then attach your alpha output pin to opacity and your decal is ready. Then go to your characters blueprint and add a node of spawn decal at location. To get your random size of your decal, get a random floating range and attach it and set values as per your likings. In my case I will set minimum 3 and maximum 5. To get the location of it, go to your break hit results and on the location, from location output you can attach it there. Wait, I will set it so it looks good. Then after that, for rotation, get impact normal and attach it here. And if you want, uh, and it's done. So let's check it. Oh, I also forgot. Set fade screen size so you can see it from far away. It set fade screen size and uh, set it to as low value as you can, and also set the target from to return value of your decal. And here we go, it's ready. Guys, thanks for watching. I thank you for the support and please help me reach 50 subscribers as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.